My name is William Myers. I drive the KFC and Lube sponsored Radical SR3.
876 Streets.
Hi, my name is William Myers. I drive the KFC and Lube sponsored Radical SR3 in TS2. And overall, my day went as good as it could have gone. Basically, one overall for the day. Came home with one win, and was putting pressure on the leaders for the whole day. And yep, it's as good as it can get. So for my first outing, I'm really pleased. Alright, make sure you guys come out to Jam West May 26th. We're going to be out there, giving it our all. We're going to be faster, quicker, putting on more pressure, so make sure you come out.